Okay guys, what I have here is a simple sheet opened in front of you which has year, day, month, which has no actually any real relation with them. But what we are going to learn from this set of entry is today how to build your VLOOKUP function dynamically resistant or dynamically working properly. So what I mean by that is, if I say select this year over here, we will be looking up to this value, and here I apply my VLOOKUP function. Over here lookup value will be this, comma, range will be this, let's say this, and after range I want column number 2 to be displayed, or say 3, and false because I want exact match. So enter. Now it says January. Now what will happen if I insert like this is the set formula, and later on after a few weeks the user wants to enter a sheet or a column here. If he enters a column here, what happens is now the column 3 has become this column C, and instead of displaying January here before, like here it was displaying January, now it is displaying 1, that is the day. So what we want is to build this resistant to this dynamic change. So how we will do that is quite simple. I will copy this here, paste it here, and I will copy this function here and paste it here. And in this function what I will do is it is going to look up at here, this cell. The range will be, I need to change the range. You see, I didn't use the absolute range, so after copy pasting the range got highly affected. And over here now in the column index, what I will use is a simple match function to build it resistant to change. And what I will do is, I was looking for month, right? I was looking for month, so I will type month. I was looking for month. Lookup value is my month. Lookup array will be this row 1, and I want an exact match, so 0, and match function is over. So this will return me the row number, or sorry, column number, which contains the entry that is month. So let's go with it, enter, and it gives me Jan. So if I delete this, now both are working properly. If I insert a row, or sorry, column, this fails over here, but this is resistant to the dynamic changes, and it doesn't matter how many rows you enter. It doesn't matter if you like cut this and paste it over here. It will always identify this January, that is month, where is the month column, and it will return the column number which contains the month as entry in the row 1, and it is always going to be resistant to dynamic changes in column as long as the heading remains the same.